Hey traders, welcome to the cryptocurrency performance recap on the Binance Exchange. This is the YouTube channel that teaches you exactly how to trade the most volatile cryptocurrency markets with confidence. And next up, the first cryptocurrency pair on the list of the biggest percentage gainers of today, it's the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair. With that, let's jump right into how to trade the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair with the trend scraper technique. The first step of the trend scraper technique is to identify the most current bullish trend section of the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair on a candlestick price chart. And here's how to get it right from the start. First, you have to trace the movement of the price action from the highest price of the bullish trend to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter with the price range true. Now, place the price range true on the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $0.1760, and drag it down to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. So in total, you can see the most current bullish trend section of the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair is approximately 69%, which is well over the standard target of a 60% bullish trend section. Okay, now that we've identified the most current bullish trend section of the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair on a candlestick price chart, it's time to plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a candlestick price chart data of the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair. For example, let's mark out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair step by step. So step 1, for you to get your entry price, you have to use the price range tool to measure 15% starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, and then use the blue horizontal line to indicate your entry price, which is 0.1199. Step 2, for you to get your stop loss price, you have to measure 9% and then use the red horizontal line to indicate your stop loss price, which is $0.1136. Step 3, for you to get your take profit price at a 2-to-1 profit loss ratio, you have to measure 30% and then use the white horizontal line to indicate your take profit price, which is 0.1355. Step 4, for you to get your safety price, you have to measure 22% and then use the purple horizontal line to indicate your safety price, which is 0.1272. Finally, it's time to monitor the volatility of price action on the most current bullish trend section of the DNT USDT cryptocurrency pair before you click that buy button. For example, look at how the price action bounced by 69%, which is an awesome bounce. It was a quick bounce, 69%. Very interesting, very important bounce, and now was an opportunity to take advantage of huge profits in the market. So let's say you enter the trade with $1,000 worth of trading capital and patiently waited to sell the cryptocurrency pair till the current price action of the cryptocurrency reaches the highest price of the bullish trend, which is 69%. As you can see on the candlestick price chart, that means you would have made exactly 50% profit, which is approximately $500 as an absolute profit from this particular trade alone. But what if the price action only touched your entry price before it decided to dump back down to the stop loss price? That means you would have lost exactly 5.5% of your trading capital, which is approximately $55. So as you can see, your profit will be almost 10 times your expected loss. Look, traders, you cannot control the price of any cryptocurrency on the exchanges, but you can control your losing trades to minimize losses and allow your winning trades to maximize profits. And that's an awesome power in your hands as a retail cryptocurrency trader. So you have to use that power to control your losses to the barest minimum if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader or investor for the long term. Leave a comment below if you found value from watching this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.